Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the last class we have started with the chapter 9 differential equations, and we have discussed about order of a differential equation and degree of the differential equation. And the order and degree of a differential equation, if defined, are always positive integers. So this you have to remember. So now in today's class we are going to solve the exercise 9.1. The first main question, it is determine order and degree of differential equations. So here is given 10 differential equations and we will have to find the order and degree if defined. So we'll take the first question now. We have d raised to 4y by dx to the power 4 plus sine of y triple dash plus sine of y triple dash, which is equals to 0. So here the highest order derivative, it is the fourth order. That means the order of this differential equation, it is 4, whereas a degree is not defined because here we have sine of d cube y by dx cube. So whenever you have sine of dy by dx or sine of d cube y by dx cube, in that case the degree is not going to be defined because this differential equation is not in polynomial of derivatives, that is y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. So that is why the degree is not defined. So I will be writing the answers here. First one, order 4, the order of the differential equation, it is 4, whereas degree not defined. Whereas the degree not defined. Whereas the degree not defined. So now let us take up the second equation, y dash plus 5y, which is equals to 0. So it is a simple differential equation. So here y dash means it is dy by dx. So what is the order? It is the first order derivative. Therefore the order of the differential equation, it is 1, and whose highest power, that will be again 1. See here, that equation can be written as dy by dx plus 5y, which is equals to 0. So here this differential equation was the first order derivative, hence the order is 1, and whose highest power is 1. So that is why order is 1, degree is 1. Second one, order is also 1, order is also 1, degree, that is also 1, degree is 1. So now we'll take up the next question, that is the third one, ds by dt to the power 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square, which is equals to 0. So here search for the highest order derivative. Here you have the first order derivative, here you have the second order derivative. So always we should look for the highest order derivative. This is going to be the order of the differential equation. What is the highest power of the highest order derivative? So the power of this will be 1. So order is 2, degree is 1. So don't consider degree as 4 here. Always while finding the degree, always we should look for the highest power of the highest order derivative. The highest order derivative, it is 2, whose power is 1. So that will be the degree. The answer for the third one, order, it is 2. The order of the differential equation is 2 and degree, it is 1. And degree is 1. And degree is 1. Now let us move on to the fourth one, d square y by dx square the whole square plus cos of dy by dx, which is equals to 0. See here we have cos of dy by dx or sine of dy by dx or tan of dy by dx. So whenever you have such cases, the degree is not defined and the order is 2, highest order derivative, it is 2, hence the order is 2, degree is not defined. Fourth one, order 2, degree not defined, degree not defined. Degree not defined. So now let us move on to the next one. D square y by dx square, which is equals to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Yes, it is a differential equation. So in this entire equation, the highest order derivative it is 2, whose power is 1. So order 2, degree is 1. The fifth answer, order 2, degree 1. Order 2, degree 1. Order 2, degree 1. So note down this and then we'll write the remaining 5. Well, the next one, it is the sixth question. Y triple dash the whole square plus y double dash the whole cube plus y dash to the power 4 plus y raised to 5, which is equals to 0. So here this entire equation, in this entire equation, the highest order derivative, it is third order derivative. We have y triple dash, that means d cube y by dx cube. So the order of the differential equation is 3, whose highest power is 2. So order is 3, degree is 2. For the sixth one, order 3, degree 2. Now let us take up the seventh one. Y triple dash plus 2 y double dash plus y dash, which is equals to 0. So in this equation, the highest order derivative, it is third order derivative. Hence the order is 3, whose power there will be 1. There will be 1. That is why the degree is 1. Order is 3. Seventh one, order 3, degree 1. Order 3, degree 1. So this is the answer for the seventh one. Now let us move on to the eighth question. Y dash plus y, which is equals to e power x. So here the we have the first order derivative, whose power will be 1. Order is also 1. Order is 1 and degree is also 1. Eighth one, order is 1 and degree, that is also 1. Order is 1, degree is 1. Now let us move on to the ninth one. Y double dash plus y dash the whole square plus 2y, which is equals to 0. So here the highest order derivative, it is 2, whose power is 1. Order 2, degree 1. Ninth one, order 2, degree 1. Order 2, degree 1. Now we'll take up the last one. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y, which is equals to 0. So again the highest order derivative, it is 2, whose power is 1. Tenth one. So order is 2, degree it is 1. Degree it is 1. So this is all about the first 10 questions. Note down this. We have 2 more multiple choice questions in this exercise. Well, the 11th question, it is the degree of the differential equation. So they have given the differential equation and we have to find the degree. D square y by dx square the whole cube plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine of dy by dx plus 1, which is equals to 0 is. So for this differential equation, we will have to find the degree. So here we have the term sine of dy by dx. So this clearly indicates that this differential equation is not in a polynomial of derivatives. So that is why the answer is not defined. Degree is not defined. So here answer will be option C. It is D, not defined. Not defined. And then 12th one, the order of the differential equation 2x square into d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y, which is equals to 0 is. And the 4 options are Option A it is 2, option B it is 1, option C it is 0, and option D not defined. The order of the differential equation. For this differential equation, search for the highest order derivative. It is 2. We have d square y by dx square. Hence the answer is 2. So it is the option A that we have to write now. So answer. So A, it is 2. The order is 2. So this is all about the exercise 9.1.